Returning to a saved game in Majesty, the Fantasy Kingdom simulation, MAJ Files preserve your kingdom progress and game state. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to manage and load these Majesty saved game files. Consider this essential for your toolkit, a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken MAJ. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. A game save file created by Majesty the Fantasy Kingdom Sim, a classic real-time strategy game. Users encounter this file when they want to backup, transfer, or troubleshoot their game progress. It stores all the data about the player's kingdom, heroes, and current scenario state. The MAJ file is a binary data container structured to serialize the game's state efficiently. This proprietary format includes object positions, character stats, and quest flags. A binary structure was chosen for fast loading and saving, minimizing file size and preventing easy user modification or cheating. This MAJ file is handled by the industry-standard tool Majesty, the Fantasy Kingdom Sim from Cyberlore Studios. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows cannot interpret audio, texture, or mesh resources inside game containers, so special tools must be used. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your MAJ file and choose Open With. Test with Majesty, the Fantasy Kingdom Sim first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If your MAJ file will not open yet, do not panic. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your MAJ problem. First, loading in Majesty. Launch Majesty, the Fantasy Kingdom Sim, and use the Load Game option from the main menu or in-game pause menu. Browse to the MAJ file location, which is typically the Saves folder in the Game Installation directory. Select the desired save file and click Load to restore the kingdom state and continue gameplay from the saved point. Next, managing save files. Back up MAJ files by copying them from the game's saves directory to alternative storage locations. Maintain multiple save files at different progression points to enable returning to specific gameplay moments. Organize save files with descriptive names by renaming them in Windows Explorer for easy identification of different gameplay sessions and kingdom strategies. Finally, compatibility with Majesty Gold, Majesty Gold HD. The modernized version of the original game uses a similar but updated save format. Original MAJ files may not directly work with Majesty Gold, requiring restarting kingdoms in the new version. Check Majesty Gold documentation for save file compatibility information and migration approaches if available between game versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagic.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.